Hi, in the distant past, like 10 years ago, I am pretty sure that the Tools panel in Photoshop was locked to a specific set of standard tools. This is no longer the case. So if you just installed, for example, Photoshop 2024 and wondering where in the world, for example, the paint bucket has gone off to, then this is the video for you. Now, with Photoshop open, all we have to do to restore whatever tools we want is to first click on Edit and then select Toolbar down towards the bottom. In here, the left side is our toolbar as it is layouted right now, and the right side of this window shows all the available tools that we can choose to populate our toolbar with. So to restore, for example, the paint bucket, we just locate it in the right portion of the window and then drag it to where we want it in the left side, that is the actual toolbar. And we can also see that it instantly pops up in the actual toolbar. To group this with another tool, like in this case, for example, the gradient tool, we just drag and drop one of the tools really close to the other one. And then to finish off, we click Done. And that is about that. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.